And here again at the 2022 BioStock Life Science Summit, I am joined by Anna Boqvist, Head of Healthcare Equity Capital Markets at Carnegie. Welcome, Anna.
Thank you so much. Great to be here.
It's great to have you here. Well, what brings you to this event today?
Yeah, no, I was really intrigued by the invitation to meet and listen to a lot of fascinating companies in life science and in really different phases and different indications, and really interesting to hear a lot of good presentations here today.
What are your thoughts on the event so far? You also took part in a panel discussion. What was that like?
Yeah, no, it was first of all very interesting and really inspiring, as I said, to listen to all the companies and also be part of this discussion. And I think one thing that has striken me during the course of today is and as we talked about in the panel discussion about financing those companies and this sector, and the challenging sector sentiment that we see right now, and driven by a lot of macro events, but it is a really challenging market out there. And to hear that from companies, and obviously we work a lot with companies on different transactions and projects, but it's interesting to hear this from so many different kind of companies, and where I hope that we as advisor can add value in our dialogue and sitting in between investors and companies. But yeah, so and even more so in these markets.
And speaking of your role, could you tell us a little bit more about what Carnegie do exactly?
Yeah, no, happy to. So Carnegie is a Nordic investment bank, so we're an independent bank, and really focusing on equities and advisory for clients. We're not a retail bank as such, so equities and advisory is what we do, and we both have investment banking and securities and also private banking.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today, and thank you for being at this event. It's so good to have you here, and we hope to see you at our next event as well.
Yeah, me too. Thank you so much.
Thank you.